Okay, it's been a long time since I made any video about the hobby. I've been busy. I've been exercising my privileges to send radio waves over various types of frequencies, which is great. I love my license and I won't lose it. But I want to try to expand. Right now, I'm just waiting on different projects and my shack is just like done. I have an IP phone that I'm looking on to get online on Ham Shack. I think that will be very good. At the end, I put in a phone number request from Ham Shack hotline. But there has been another thing that I really want to try to learn. Is not I'm not like super want to learn that, but I'll definitely want to at least make an attempt. That is learning Morse code. Um, but learning Morse code is like learning a whole new language in a sense. Well, technically and verbally and listeningly, it is a new language. I know Norwegian, I know English, I know understand Danish people and understand Swedish people, and that's pretty much it. But learning Morse is something very different. It's built up extremely different. So a good while ago, during the winter, there were a event in a local club on how to get started learning, and they always one thing they and then I were on the northern Norwegian or North Norwegian ham fest in that sense, or ham meeting as we call it. There were another guy from Oslo or south in Norway that talked about Morse code. He's like ridiculously fast on Morse code, and it says all he is doing is Morse code. It's well CW for the most part, but that's all he does. Is like barely any uh, uh, like SSB or uh, n- not much FT8 at all. Maybe 2 3 a year. And he's also saying that you should learn Morse code very quickly. Well, not in a matter of a couple of weeks, but learn the letters, learn to listen very fast when you're learning it, because that will help you a little bit later. But no one has like a clear way of like how to learn that. But during the event in the local club, they mentioned a computer program called Just Learn Morse Code, because they believe you should start listening to multiple letters at once and then just try to be better at it. But for you guys, for those who are doing Morse code, how did you do it? How did you learn it? I know that there's like 1,000 different ways of like learning Morse, but how do you do it? How did you got over that cliff for when things started to get easy? Because one thing I do find fascinating is that learning a different language, you're basically learning the same stuff that were used before ham radio, when you have those wires over long distances and you had like smart people at the very end of them and they use Morse code. Um, how do you do it? Right? I'm all in for ideas here on what to do, because I'm just starting. I learned two letters, which is K and M. Uh, but actually, I do know a little bit more letters like A and N, and now I learned that one M letter. K is like D dot D and stuff like that. But I'm not exactly want to sing the alphabet here, but how do you do it? Right, I'm all in for ideas here. So if you have a good idea, or I would like to know your idea, how you made it, then let me know. I do read all of the comments, and I will answer back on all of them. Right? Hope you liked the episode. It was not much, but I'm trying to at least get started here, because I talked to a another ham that I actually do talk to a lot. He lives in Tromsø. A very smart guy. Has been working in the IT business for quite many years. So him and I, we usually think the same thing when we are running the computer system together at the club. Um, but and he told me that, Tom, if you're learning Morse code or learning at least learn the alphabet during the summer, and then we can like have some practice days during fall close to winter. Then we just like take it from there. All right. I hope you liked the episode, and if you have some good ideas, just let me know. I read through all of them, and bye bye.